value. Then enter, then type except value error colon, then enter ulit values underscore tuple dot append parenthesis value, and enter ulit, then type return tuple parenthesis, then type value sa loob ng parenthesis. You need to add underscore within the return tuple value tuple, okay? Loop underscore true underscore tuple parenthesis values underscore tuple, then colon, enter for value in values underscore tuple colon print colon value, enter if double name is double equal quotation double underscore main, then enter, put colon my tuple is equal to create underscore tuple parenthesis, then enter, print parenthesis double quotation the values in the tuple are, then colon, enter, loop underscore true underscore tuple parenthesis my underscore tuple, then run. Let's see if it will work. This will work. We'll put the name and 1 Jason underscore 2 comma Pedro comma 3 1 comma 4, and that's how you do loop tuple. Next we will do join tuples. So def join underscore tuples parenthesis colon, enter, type num underscore tuples is equal to int double parenthesis, then in first parenthesis we will put input, then quotation in a second, enter the number of tuples you want to join. Okay, so enter tuple list tuple underscore list is equal to square bracket, then enter, then for I in range parenthesis num underscore tuple colon, then enter, elements is equal to input parenthesis f double quotation, enter the elements of tuple curly bracket, then I plus 1 separated, type separated by commas, colon, then enter, tuple underscore elements is equal to tuples parenthesis elements dot split parenthesis single quotation comma underscore tuples underscore list dot append parenthesis tuple underscore elements, enter, join underscore tuple equals parenthesis, then enter for t in tuples underscore list colon, enter join underscore tuple plus equal T, then enter, print, parenthesis, double quotation, joined tuple, colon, then comma, joined underscore tuple, then enter, type, joined underscore tuples, parenthesis, then run. We'll try this if it will work. Enter the tuples separated by comma, so we have errors here. We have errors in the tuple name. Tuple list. Okay. I'm gonna type it again. Def join underscore tuple list. Underscore tuples is equal to int double parenthesis input. Enter the number of tuples you want to join. Colon. Then type tuples underscore list is equal to square bracket. For I in range parenthesis num underscore tuples colon elements is equal to input parenthesis f double quotation, enter the elements of tuple curly bracket I plus 1 separated by commas, then enter tuples and tuple underscore elements is equal to tuple parenthesis elements that split double parenthesis single quotation comma, enter tuples underscore list that append parenthesis tuple underscore elements, then enter join underscore tuple is equal to parenthesis for t in tuples underscore list colon, enter join underscore tuple plus equal t, then print parenthesis double quotation join tuple colon comma joined underscore tuple, enter, then join underscore tuples, then run. Let's try this again. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how you do join tuple. Next we will do tuple method. So medyo mahaba-haba ito. You can follow it. So first we will type def main parenthesis colon, then enter user input. We will create prints for the inputs. So input, enter the values separated by commas. Then values equals tuple parenthesis value dot strip parenthesis, then for value in user underscore input dot split parenthesis, single quotation comma, then enter. Here we will print your tuple colon, then curly bracket, values, put F so the value will not printed. We will do while true, so print parenthesis, then copy, because we will put choices. Choose a method to demonstrate. Print number 1, count occurrences of a value. Second, find index of value colon, then 3, exit. Okay, so choice is equal to input parenthesis, double quotation, enter your choice, parenthesis, 1, 2, or 3, then enter. If choice is equal to single quotation 1 colon, value underscore 2 underscore count is equal to input double quotation, enter your value to count is equal to